how to quickly set up the Samsung Galaxy A71. First, press on the side button here to turn it on. So press and hold to power up the phone. Once you are at the welcome screen, at the drop down here, tap on the drop down to select a language. Here I will select a language and then tap on OK. Next, we tap on the start button. In here, you can choose an agreement. So I'm going to select agree to all and then tap on agreed. Next, you can connect to a Wi-Fi network. So here we will tap on a Wi-Fi network and then we'll put in the password. Put in the Wi-Fi password and tap on connect. Once it is connected, we can then tap on the next button. And here say, get your phone ready. And this may take a few minutes. Okay, on this page here, it says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your photos, your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. So if you want to transfer the data over, you can tap on the next button. We can choose don't copy. Now because I really want to quickly set up the device, I'm going to choose don't copy. And here we say checking info. We'll wait for that. Okay, next, tap on the skip button if you do not want to sign into your Google account right now. Tap on skip, then tap on more and accept. Next, you can choose to set up a security protection, or you can simply skip and do that later on. So I'm going to choose skip anyway, then tap on OK, and now it is getting the phone ready. Then next it says, do I want to sign into Samsung account or skip? I will tap on skip, then tap on agree, and then choose to use light or dark mode, and then tap on next, and then tap on finish. So the purpose of this video is to allow you to quickly set up your device so that you can quickly get directly to your home screen without having to mess around too much. So here it says introduce yourself to a great recommendations. So I'm just gonna tap on the back key. I want to skip everything and just quickly go to my home screen. So here recommend apps. I don't really need that. I just want to quickly go to my home screen. So here at the top here, there is a later button. I can tap on it and then tap on exit app setup. So tap on yes, and that's it. We are now on the home screen. Now at any point in time later on, you can always go to your settings and you can configure your Samsung account or your Google account, or you can set up a lock screen pin or password, and so on. For now, all you have to do is simply insert a SIM card and you can quickly make the call from your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.